What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are going through again here if we are forming a reaccumulation or a distribution event, and how I am planning to get into an epic swing trade in the coming days, and what I need to wait here for confirmation to get into that trade scenario. So if you're interested, make sure to stay tuned. And let's dive in here, because I'm going to give you my game plan for the next coming days, guys, on how I'm getting prepared for my next swing trade scenario. And this is, of course, if we do come down here in the next coming days without testing $29,200, it is very likely that we could be in a reaccumulation stage. Now, when we do get down to this level of $26,500 range, okay, which is the lows from this massive area that we have been now for over 3 weeks, and we do manage to hold this level with a large consolidation, we are likely forming an accumulation stage. Okay, here a lot of people are going to say, this is it, we are going to break the lows, and this is a huge round formation, and we're going down to 24k levels. Now, of course, that is a possibility. Now, how will I know that this level is holding? Well, very simply, as creating this swing failure pattern from the highs or from the lows. If we do not test 29,200 in the coming days, and we do slowly climb down, okay, to this $26,500 low, and we do hit that level and consolidate for a few days, we are likely forming this small accumulation at this level, and then going to skyrocket to test 29,200 and finally break this resistance level. Now, like I said, we do not need to test 29,200. If the price does manage to climb up there in the coming days, then I'll be looking at the other distribution phase. So far, we need to still create the lower highs, come down and test the lows here, and as you can see, we failed to break out the highs right over here, and this is where people get extremely bullish and they expect the price to even go to higher levels. On the other side, we have the price action coming down to test the lows here a few days after created this low and created that failed breakout. A lot of people were bearish. This is it, we are going to go to 25k and lower, and then finally the price does get a massive bounce. So this is what we are expecting. We are expecting the price here to potentially come down slowly, creating these lower highs to come and test the lows of the range and create that consolidation. I will be getting ready here for that potential swing long position if we do get a reaction, if we do get a failed breakdown from this $26,500 low. Of course, I will be updating the community. Also, I will be doing some video updates or live streams, but that is what I am paying attention here for the next coming days if we were not to test $29,200 high. What happens if we do test the highs? Well, then we are going to jump into the accumulation phase. And where I'll be trading the swing trade scenario, of course, will be on Bybit, guys. For me, it's the #1 crypto trading platform. You get $30,000 worth of bonus that can be claimed at the rewards hub, okay, to pay fees and to pay your losses, guys. Check out Bybit, guys, my #1 crypto trading platform. And of course, we got the bearish case scenario in the midterm, which would be bullish in the next coming days, finally getting that leg up to test that $29,200 range. Now, if this were to happen in the coming days, of course, and get all the way up here and get this failed breakout consolidation, this will likely be that up thrust after the distribution. Now, a lot of people might be coming very, very bullish, getting that consolidation ready to have that massive breakout. But if we do have that consolidation, I strongly believe that it is likely that this will be the moment where the bears are going to absolutely get the price all the way down to the lows of 26,500 and finally break it, so we go to that $25,000 range. Now, this is what I am looking for here for the coming days if we do get that bullish case in a few days, guys, because it's not long here after. If we do come down, all right, we're looking for that small little fake out at this range of 26,500 and a consolidation. I will be getting ready here for my swing long trade scenario. You might think to yourself, how do you know this? How do you know it's not going to break? Well, we have to see that test of the lows. Of course, always good risk management in place, but you know the deal. What you're looking for here is a potential epic long scenario after testing the level. No limit order for a long. I want to see the level being tested, because it is true that we can go through this level, but basically after having the consolidation, the whole plan here for that failed breakout and that reaccumulation event is to come back up and at least claim the highs here. And as you can see, the risk to reward can be huge. And in the case of the distribution, we fake out and consolidate at these highs. Of course, we will have some highs here to place those stop losses, obviously having that good risk management in place. But what we are looking for here is a massive move to the downside, and of course even going lower. So this is the game plan for the coming days, guys, for that epic swing trade scenario. Of course, I will be updating the community. If you do want more, a bit of short-term technical analysis and potential trading setups, feel free to join the Legends trading community, where we are talking about the potential scenarios, okay, for that same day, okay. Just like yesterday, we talked about that descending wedge. We were facing some resistance, a good level for me for taking profits, okay. Talking about all of these different case scenarios, okay. Make sure to join the Legends community. You got a 35% discount down below with the link in the description too. Also, guys, if you want to know about those setups that I'm looking for, we got a great community. And now I will see you in the next potential live stream.